Alright y'all, so really quick, I just want to mention that I do have a full video on my makeup as well as a full video styling my hair, both linked below, so go check them out after this. So I will be turning myself into a Bratz doll. So excited. So I made some stencils. Girl, I just printed out the Bratz logo. I'm talking about a stencil. I'm going to make it into a stencil, yes. Now I have a lot of different acrylic paint. So I have this pleated plaid skirt here. I got this from Gabe's. And then I have this black shirt here that was in my pile to give to Goodwill because, baby, I wore this shirt to death. This is perfect. I had this in the pile to give to Goodwill. And I was like, wait a minute, I can just paint on that. That's what we're going to do. And y'all, I'm also going to do these boots here. I got these from Walmart. They had them on clearance one time. Girl, me and my husband got these boots. Because he was like, $9. Do they got my size? And they had his size too. So we be stepping in our boots. These were $9 because they look good. But yeah. And then I have this long curly wig here I'm going to wear. But yeah, that's where we at. Alright, so I have no clue exactly how I'm doing this. I'm just going to wing it. So I printed these two. I'm not exactly sure which one I'm going to do yet. And I just went to Google and typed in Bratz and printed these two. Because I do want it like right in the center of my shirt. So I do know that. I'm going with this one. Let me cut it out really quick. We getting somewhere. I cut it out and I'm just gonna trace it. It's got this back of a wig cap paper. Put my paint on. I have this old little thin brush here. And this is the white acrylic paint that I will be using first. All right, so I have a safety pin and tape. Okay, just add the tape behind it as well for like the edges. Now I'm just going to trace around it and then I'll figure out the rest from there. I'm sure it's easier ways to do this, but girl, yeah. Okay, so far so good. Let's see. Oops. Lord. Okay. Now I'm going to fill the rest of this in with white. Let it dry. Then I'll come back and retrace my letters. Okay. All done with this. Okay. It look good. And I use all of that big glob of paint too. Alright. Next day. Back at it. All dry. Put this back under here. So now I'm going to cut these out individually and then trace it with a pencil so that I can do my black line and then I can fill it in with pink. Ats. Tracing around the letters. First of all, I'm doing this. I'm doing my wig. Okay, all done. Now let's take them up. Oh yes, I did that. This is perfect. Now I'm gonna outline it with the black and then color it in. Use this black here. Okay, I'm happy with that. I do need to get these circles in there. I should have done this at first. So I think I want to go back and add this little halo. Look like I have room for it. So I'm gonna cut this out and then trace it in white. That's what I need to do. I have yellow paint. All right, it's dry. Now to paint my letters pink. But which pink? Darker pink. These letters are like a darker pink. So I'm gonna just go with this one. So, first couple paints, I'm just going to nice and clean lines. So I went back over everything. I went over the white again. I went over the black. I went over the pink. So now this pink everywhere the white is. All right, I think I'm done. That look amazing. I'm gonna just stop here. All right, y'all, so I definitely went back and added the little stars. Now it's really set. That is gorgeous. I used yellow and white for the stars. Like I did it white first and then I went over with yellow. Then I went back with white and just kept going back and forth. This is so dope. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to put this on. Look how vibrant the colors are. Gorgeous. And it's like really thick. Like it feels really good. Like this is not coming off. It's not going anywhere. All right, now let me put everything together. I'm obsessed. My shirt looks so good. You would think I purchased it. I can't wait to paint something else. First of all, I finished my makeup late. And now I'm at the parking lot of a dealership. But my pictures are so cute. That's one. Vibes. Why am I standing like that? Cute-ish. Cute-ish. But my outfit's so cute. I went to Kohl's, I went to the mall, I went to Target, and I got a compliment everywhere I went. My shirt came out so cute. The hair eats. The curls, they look so good and they're defined. My hair looks so good. So good. This was the perfect style. Perfect. Okay, I'm out.